What made you choose your current college?
I chose my college because it's close to home and has a great program for my major.
What is your major, and why did you choose it?
I am majoring in business because I want to start my own company someday.
How do you manage your time between classes and other activities?
I manage my time by making to-do lists and sticking to a schedule.
What's your favorite subject in college?
My favorite subject is biology because I love learning about living organisms.
How do you prepare for exams?
I prepare for exams by reviewing notes and making flashcards.
What do you think of the college grading system?
I think the grading system is fair, but it can be stressful.
Do you live on campus or commute to college?
I live on campus because it's convenient and close to my classes.
What's the most challenging part of being a college student?
Balancing study and social life is the most challenging part.
How do you stay organized with your assignments and deadlines?
I use a planner to keep track of assignments and deadlines.
What clubs or extracurricular activities are you involved in?
I'm part of the photography club because it's fun and creative.
How do you deal with stress during the semester?
I deal with stress by exercising and listening to music.
What's your favorite place to study on campus?
I love studying in the campus library. It's quiet and peaceful.
Do you think college tuition is too expensive?
Yes, college tuition is expensive and it can be hard to afford.
What are your career goals after graduation?
I want to work in marketing after I graduate.
How do you balance your social life and academic responsibilities?
I balance social life and schoolwork by prioritizing my tasks.
What's the best way to make new friends in college?
Joining clubs is the easiest way to meet new people in college.
What kind of internship opportunities are available at your college?
We have internships with local companies that help us gain experience.
How has your college experience shaped your personality?
College has made me more independent and confident.
What are your thoughts on online classes versus in-person classes?
I prefer in-person classes because I learn better that way.
How do you spend your free time between classes?
I usually relax or grab coffee with friends between classes.
What's the most interesting project you've worked on in college?
I once worked on a project about renewable energy. It was fascinating.
How important is networking while in college?
Networking is crucial because it helps you find opportunities after college.
What's your favorite part about college life?
I love the freedom and flexibility of college life.
How do you handle group projects?
I try to communicate clearly and share the workload equally in group projects.
What's your opinion on student loans?
Student loans are necessary but stressful.
Do you think internships are essential for career growth?
Yes, internships are important for gaining real-world experience.
What is the campus culture like at your college?
Our campus has a friendly and inclusive culture.
How do you stay motivated during the semester?
I stay motivated by setting small goals and rewarding myself.
Have you studied abroad or would you like to?
I haven't studied abroad, but I'd love to in the future.
How do you prepare for college presentations?
I prepare by practicing my presentation several times.
What's your strategy for taking notes in class?
I take notes by summarizing key points from lectures.
How do you manage your finances as a student?
I budget my money and avoid unnecessary spending.
What's the best advice you've received from a professor?
My professor told me to always stay curious and never stop learning.
Do you prefer theoretical or practical learning?
I prefer practical learning because it's more hands-on.
What's the hardest class you've taken so far?
The hardest class I've taken is calculus. It's very challenging.
How do you handle exam anxiety?
I handle exam anxiety by studying early and staying calm.
What's the most useful class you've taken in college?
Public speaking has been the most useful class so far.